Good morning and welcome to this gentle yoga practice. This short sequence is designed to help you wake up your body, stretch out any stiffness, and start your day with ease. We will begin in a comfortable cross-legged seat. Ground your sit bones down, cross your legs comfortably, sit up nice and tall with your hands on your knees. With your next inhale, reach your arms out and up, stretch up. Exhale, twist to the left, release your left hand behind you to the floor. Inhale, come back through center, reach your arms up. Exhale, gentle twist to the other side. Inhale, back through center. Exhale, twist to the left, look back over your left shoulder. Inhale in center. Exhale, twist to the right, look back. One more round. Inhale, really stretch up through the fingertips. Exhale, twist a little deeper. Inhale in center. And exhale to the right. Come back to center, interlace your fingers. As you inhale, press your palms up, lift your heart, lean slightly back. Exhale, round the back, drop chin to chest, press your arms forward. Inhale, press your palms up to the sky. And exhale, round the upper back. Keep moving with the breath. Warming up the spine with this cat and cow variation. Inhale, lift your heart, and exhale, round. Last time, inhale, press your palms up. Exhale, side bend to the left. Left hand stays on the ground and right arm reaches up and over the head. Take another full breath in and out. Then start circling your right arm back. Gently twisting to the right as you move your arm. Warming up the shoulder joint, adding a bit more movement to the spine. With your next inhale, come back through center, reach your arms up, stretch up, and exhale to the other side. Find a side bend, reaching your left arm up and over the head. Stay here for a few moments. Breathe. And then circle your left arm back a few times. With inhale, come back to center, reach your arms up, and exhale, release. Make your way into tabletop position on your hands and knees. Lift your left leg and circle your hip out, moving in one direction. You may hear some clicking sounds in the morning as you warm up the hip joint. Straighten the leg, release the toes down and press the heel back and down towards the floor, stretching the left calf. From here, bring your left foot forward to your left hand. Keep the left knee bent over the ankle. Untuck your right foot, press the top of the foot down and reach your arms up into low lunge. Slightly leaning back, lifting up through the chest. Stay here with your arms up or interlace fingers behind your back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together and pull your hands away from the lower back, adding a bit more shoulder stretch. Choose your variation, continue to breathe. Release your hands. Take one more big inhale, leaning slightly back, lifting up through the heart. And exhale, hands down, step your left leg back. Pick up your right knee and begin to circle the leg. Straighten this leg, release the toes down and press the heel towards the ground. And then for low lunge, step your right foot forward. Gently press the hips down towards the floor and lift your heart, lift your arms up. Again, option to stay here with your arms up or interlace fingers behind the lower back. Stay for a few more deep breaths in and out through the nose. Inhale, reach your arms up, find a deeper back bend. Exhale, hands down, step back. And find a downward facing dog. Walk your feet out on spot, shift the hips side to side. Find some feel-good movement here. Then walk your feet forward to the top of the mat, keep them hip distance apart. Hold the opposite elbows and gently sway the upper body side to side, releasing tension in the back, hamstrings, hips. Knees can stay bent in the morning, be gentle to your body. Take one more full breath. Then release your arms, turn your toes out and lower the hips into yoga squat. You can press your palms together and open the knees wider with your elbows, or straighten out the arms. Feel free to stay still or rock a little side to side, easing into position. Take one more breath, lift your heart up. And slowly release. Sit up on your heels in thunderbolt pose or find a cross-legged sit if that is more comfortable. Relax your hands to the sides, drop your chin to the chest and gently circle your head in one direction, stretching out the neck. Change direction, circle your head to the other side. And bring your head back to center. Keep your eyes closed for another moment. With inhale, reach your arms out and up. Exhale, bring your palms together to your heart. Put a gentle smile on your face and open your eyes. Thank you so much for practicing with me this morning. I hope you are feeling better and ready to start your day. I wish you a good day and see you soon in the next video. Bye!